guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a web pattern and a different kind of web pattern as well. Last time we did one, now we're going to do another. All you need is a black marker, so let's get started. It's going to be super, super easy. Like, I mean unbelievably easy. Draw a straight line across. Straight line down. And now we're going to have lines radiating from this point. So we're going to draw a straight line out. Another straight line out, and another straight line out. You can do 3 or 4, it's up to you, but I'm going to do 3 lines here. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the inside, and I'm going to draw a thin line that's kind of like a U shape. It's pushing inward, and I'm going to duplicate that with the other 3. Thin line, thin line, thin line, thin line. I'm going to try to make it thin as well. One more. I'm gonna make this one line up, line up, line up, line up here. It's gonna line up, line up. As it gets bigger, you might have to slow down because it gets a little bit harder the bigger it gets. You have to kind of raise your, draw from the elbow at this point, or draw from the shoulder. And at the end, you have to really draw from the shoulder. One more. Oops. And that's it. That is a spider web pattern. Another version. Thank you so much for following. I hope that was super easy for you, and hopefully you can apply it to your own projects and things that you're doing. But I'll talk to you guys another time. I appreciate it. And please like and subscribe to the video. We're going to be posting every day till Halloween. So talk to you guys later.